today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this Bouge RV portable travel cooler. This is one of the Amazon's most popular ones. I bought it, I tested it. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about it. How many cans fit in it, dimensions, does it have power display, how does it look in a car? We'll get into that last. I'll take this, put this in the car. And really like this a lot. It could fit a lot more than the description kind of says. So from my experience, I'm going to show you, I have this full right now. Before we get into that, just note this has two ways to be charged up. So right over here is going to be from the car. So you can literally plug this into your car, have this going, and it will not drain your battery. There is a built-in mechanism. So if it ever got close, this will automatically stop charging, so you don't have to wake up and have issues with that. So that was one of my biggest concerns when I did get this. I was like, oh man, like, could it drain the battery? This is great for camping, RVs. If you're going to a hotel that doesn't have a fridge, you just want to bring your own fridge. This is going to go down to -8 and all the way up to 50. So big range right over here. It's super easy to set this up. Now, in terms of weight, so this is about 22 pounds, really easy to lift up. We do have handles over here. So on this side, and then also on this side right over here. This is where we're gonna have the plug to get this on and off and get it charged right over here. You'll see that right over here. So you could see that down there. And this is the actual power cord right over here. This is 6 feet long. So you got a nice little leeway on that as well. You simply just plug that in, whichever adapter you want to use, and we are kind of good to go right here. So this does come in all different colors and sizes if you wanted something different. Don't worry about that. All right, so now how much fits inside this cooler? So the listing says that you get 15 cans, 12-ounce cans, 5 bottles of 33.8 ounce waters, 2 bottles of orange juice, and 1 gallon of milk. So right in here right now, this is what I have in here. I have 5 waters over here on the top right over here, another 5 on the bottom right over here, and then we have cans. So we have 15 cans in here. So 2, 4, lots of space in there. That pretty much made it full. I'm gonna do the dimensions. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So that's how much could fit in there. Again, you could put a layer of soda. So if you did the 15 sodas, there's plenty of space on top of that to add meat. It takes about half the cooler up. I'll kind of give you a little bit of a close-up right over here so you can kind of see what it looks like on the inside. So this is what it's going to look like on the inside right over here. Give a better look right over there. So plenty of space. You can see right here when you have the cans in here. So there's plenty of space to put something on top of here as well. We also got this nice little chart right over here that goes over the meat and the temperatures that it should be. So it's a nice little reminder. You don't have to Google it or ask Chad or do any of that. We have this nice little chain right over here that is holding it up. And this is the touch panel right over here. So you'll see right over here, this is where everything happens. So right now we're at 55. So if we want, this is automatically, it has a lock right over here. So you don't have to worry about someone touching this or anything like that. I do like the fact that they put the instructions right over here so you don't have to remember. So just to get you're gonna hit this right over here, hold it down. Now it unlocks, and then this is how we go up and down. So this is -8, this is the lowest you could set it. And then over here, it's gonna go all the way up. You could just go however you want it. Keep going up, and this is gonna go up to 50 degrees. So that's kind of how that works right over there. Now, in terms of measurements, then we're gonna go put this in the car real quick so you can kind of see that. In terms of measurements here, so across this way right over here, we're gonna get 22 inches. Up top right over here, we have a little, it's almost at 13. And then in the back right over here, we're gonna have 12 inches. So let's go real quick, 22, by about 13 by 12. Now on the inside right over here, in terms of measurement, the bottom layer right over here is going to be 13 and the other one is going to be about 9.5. So let's go see what this looks like in the car, and then we'll come back and I'll give you kind of my final thoughts. This is what the BougeRV one looks like in the car. Actually, you'll see right over here, it fits either way. I have a Jeep right over here. You'll see you could also charge this using the car. We have a plug right over here that we could plug right in. You get that adapter and you also get the plug. And the cool part is this leaves plenty of space. You'll see right over here for everything else. You could even stack on top of here if you wanted to. Really, really like that part about this, that it holds a lot, but also doesn't take up a lot of space. We got these two nice handles right over here as well. Most of the weight is on this side right over here because that's where the motor is, but really easy to get in and out. This is about 22 pounds empty, so not that hard to lift, which makes it easy. And you could either put it like this, or you could also go this way as well. So that's what it looks like in the car. All right, so that's how it fits into the car. You'll see it fits in nicely. There's plenty of space for other things as well. So if you are looking for a great portable cooler, you're sick of using ice, carrying ice, and just being able to take this in an RV, in a car, this is gonna be great for sports and baseball and soccer and all that kind of stuff. You don't have to stop for ice and get this going. Just to recap, we got 15 cans in here, and the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bottles of water. These are, what are these? 16.9 ounces of water. You could definitely maneuver this a little bit differently. You could go all the way down to -8, all the way up to 50. It is 22 pounds. You got the two handles right over here. To power it, you also have this to power it with your car. You also have the ability to use a normal power adapter, so you can go the 12 volts or the 24. Really, really like this a lot. It's super compact. We use it all the time. It's very easy to clean as well. No issues with that. And it's super quiet. Like, this was on the whole time. You barely hear it. Even when you open this up right over here, you're not really hearing anything, which is nice. The other nice part about this is you have the top here. You could kind of rest some stuff on there if you wanted to. But if you don't want to do that, no big deal. So if you're looking for a great portable cooler, you really can't go wrong with this one. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you find the right portable cooler for you that keeps your food exactly how you like it.